You're 40, maybe a little older. You worked hard, paid bills, raised a family, and now you're sitting there thinking, I have nothing saved for retirement. What now? First of all, take a deep breath because you're not alone and you're not too late. But it's time to stop avoiding and start moving forward. Hi, I'm Amy. I'm a qualified accountant with a law degree, a mom of 3, and today I'm going to walk you through 10 simple, doable steps that will help you catch up, even if you're starting from 0. And yes, I've got a retirement reset planner linked below to help you take action right after watching this video. And with that being said, let's dive in. Number 1, forgive yourself and focus. Most people don't get to 40 without a few money regrets. And life happens. You have kids, redundancies, divorce, illness. I had a client, let's call her Sarah, who once told me, I feel like I blinked and now I'm 43 without pension. She wasn't lazy, she was just surviving. And if that sounds like you, let it go. You can't build a future while dragging shame from the past. As Morgan Housel says in The Psychology of Money, doing well with money has little to do with how smart you are and a lot to do with how you behave. And that's good news because behavior is something we can change starting today. Number 2, know your numbers. This is not a cliche. I know that a lot of people shy away from numbers because they feel it's probably too complicated or probably don't have time, it's boring. But I want to ask you, how much do you actually need to retire? If you don't know your numbers, how are you going to plan for retirement? You don't need a financial degree for this. You just need a ballpark. There are retirement calculators online. Try Money Helper in the UK or NetWallet in the US. Pick a number and start there. It's like planning a road trip. You need a destination before you can choose the route or the route. Number 3, use the rule of 25. Take the income you want in retirement and multiply it by 25. If you want 25,000 a year, that means you need around 625,000 saved. That might feel like a big number, right? But now you've got a target. It's not about perfection. It's about direction, right? Number 4, don't skip on your pension. In the UK, workplace pension come with employer contributions and tax relief. In the US, it's your 401k or your Roth IRA. Even small contributions matter because they grow over time. Open a pension account or start contributing more today. Your future self will thank you. Number 5, maximize the next 20 years. You may have missed your 20s and your 30s, but your 40s and 50s can be your power decades. Saving £300 a month from age 40 to 60 could grow over £120,000. Small steps, big results. I want you to start now. Number 6, lifestyle creep is real. You earn more, but somehow there's still nothing left. Audit your subscriptions, your bills, and extras. Every pound or dollar saved now can be redirected to your future. Number 7, build a side income. This is so important. Side hustle doesn't have to mean burnout. A client of mine started tutoring 5 hours a week. Now she makes extra £500 a month, and that money goes straight to her retirement account. Tax free. She doesn't even have to pay tax on that money. Okay? Think about what skills you have. Write down 3 ideas. One of them could become your retirement fund booster. Number 8, invest simply. Stick to low-cost index funds. You don't need to time the market or chase trends. Investing is like planting trees, not buying lottery tickets. Open a stocks and shares ISA if you're in the UK or a Roth IRA if you're in the US. Automate it. Let it grow. Number 9, protect your future funds. It's not just about savings. It's about protecting what you are building. Get life insurance. Create a will. Look into income protection because Peace of mind is part of that plan too. Tip number 10, track progress, not perfection. You won't fix everything in 1 month, but you can start tracking your progress. Use the retirement reset planner, write down your wins, see the progress. I just want to tell you that you're not too late, you're just getting started. And now you've got a plan. Download the retirement reset planner below and make your next step clear. Like this video if you found value and leave a comment. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you want more talk about money and how to plan for retirement and how to build a business that can support you through retirement. Until next time, ciao.